Tips and tricks. Use the click hunter to find sites that link to multiple competitors, but not to you. Analyze linking sites' topical trust flow to ensure relevance and authority. Set up the link alerts feature to be notified of new backlinks to your site or your competitors. Best hack. Use Majestic's link context feature to see a backlink's exact placement and surrounding text. This can provide valuable insights and help you craft pitches for outreach emails. Price range: $49.99, $399.99 per month. 5. Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Screaming Frog is a tool for crawling websites and uncovering technical SEO issues. It's ideal for site audits. By crawling a site and exporting the data to Excel, you can spot and fix technical SEO issues at scale. Screaming Frog is recognized for its powerful site crawling capabilities. Its speed and efficiency make it an invaluable asset for technical SEO audits and routine site checks. The software excels in delivering comprehensive analysis of on-page SEO elements. It examines factors such as meta tags, headings, content, and internal linking structure. One of Screaming Frog's key strengths is its high level of customization. You can tailor crawl settings, configure custom extraction rules, and set up specific filters to focus on particular aspects of the website. Potential drawbacks: requires some technical knowledge to leverage its capabilities fully. It can be resource-intensive for very large sites. Tips and tricks. Use the custom extraction feature to pull specific data points at scale. Integrate with Google Analytics to pull performance metrics into your crawl data. Leverage the visualization feature to generate sitemaps and spot orphan pages. Best hack. Set up a custom search filter to identify pages with specific issues, for example, missing meta descriptions, duplicate page titles. Export this list and use it as a prioritized action plan for your on-page optimizations. Price range: free, $259 per year. 6. SERPstat. SERPstat is an all-in-one SEO platform with features for keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink analysis, and site audits. We found SERPstat effective for keyword clustering and topic modeling. By analyzing semantically related keywords and their search intent, you can create targeted content that better answers user queries. Why it's good for SEO. Broad feature set covering multiple aspects of SEO, strong keyword research capabilities, including related questions and search suggestions. Affordable pricing compared to some other all-in-one platforms. Potential drawbacks: user interface can be overwhelming initially due to the many features. Some advanced features, for example, API access, are limited to higher-tier plans. Tips and tricks. Use the tree view in keyword research to visualize keyword relationships and create topic clusters. Leverage the missing keywords feature in competitor analysis to identify quick win opportunities. Set up regular site audits to monitor your technical SEO health over time.